Sawadee-ka, it's me, Joe, in Pattaya. How you all doing? Look where I am, right at the start of Beach Road. It's been a while since I've done a video, apologies for that. I've had other stuff to do, I've been busy. It's the North Pattaya Road coming down from Dolphin Roundabout. All the big hotels are up here, but let's go take a look around. We're on the motorbike. Saturday, the 8th of June 2024, start of low season and the wet season. Was quite good in the high season. I've noticed the bars are dropping off lately. It's 32 degrees today, nice bit of a breeze. What are the Holiday Inn doing? Something in their front little bit. There's the picture coming soon. Nice little front section. The old Gulliver's, I haven't been there for a while. The old Gulliver's Tavern is still open. Yeah, so Pattaya, still great here. No complaints. If I was back home now, I'd be freezing cold. There's the Playa Bistro and Lounge. Apparently it's quite good in there. I haven't been. It's amazing how many places I haven't been to because there's just too many. I haven't even been to all the bars. I've 24 years in Pattaya, I still haven't been to every bar yet. Fat Coco Club. They did all that section up there. You can sit there, enjoy the beach views across there. Oh, they've redone all the footpath. That's another new thing in Pattaya. You've got the nice wide footpath along the beach. All the palm trees are all lined up nicely in a row. Personally, I prefer the old days, but you can't stop modernisation. Tidy up the place, clean everything up. Well, the old Soi 4. It's always sort of the quiet end of town. I call it the family end. Not many bars and more restaurants, the beach and the family hotels. Yeah, but the weather, oh, the hot season this year, it's been terrible. It's too hot, it's 45 degrees some days, and now it's getting a little bit cooler. You can see all the palm trees they put up there, make them all nice and neat. The traffic's terrible, being a weekend, of course. Look at this, Queenor Second Road was terrible coming down here. We'll see how far we get anyway. Go up there too, is the back of Soi 6. They've got the big plane up in there. We'll do another video of that one day. But I've got plenty to show you guys. And you know that Soi, of course, the infamous Soi 6. Looking pretty quiet at the moment. Same with the beach. Sneak through there. There's P-Joe's coming through. Hang on. Out and get run over here. There, Cafe Amazon looks nice in there, doesn't it? The old Toscana Italian restaurant. Yeah, they got some festival coming up in Thailand. I think it's this weekend. The food stalls down near Central there. There you go, Dang More. I want your watermelon. And you look on the left there, that's all a newish sort of area. Looks nice. Bit too hot to sit in the sun right now. We're slowly developing everything. That was a big vacant block of land there. Sure, it looks better at night when everything's happening. The time right now is coming up to 3 PM, so it's a bit early yet. Rainbow flags up, but that's what it is. It's the Pride Festival for all you unicorns. Go out and celebrate all that diversity. It's the Hard Rock Hotel Cafe, or hotel. Coming down to Central Pattaya here. If you're on a motorbike, you're okay with the traffic. If you're in a car, you just got to grin and bear it. Saya Beach. I used to go to the little club here. It was a good little club. It's all... Oh yeah, here's the start of all the food. Apparently that's good there. Cafe La Plage. Be very nice sitting there when the sun's out. It's good in there. Look at the traffic down here. It's the Hilton Hotel. You see over there, they've got the Good Vibe Festival. Tents are all set up. Saturday night in Pattaya. Now, we're going for time, P. Joe. So I don't do long videos because it's actually a bit of a pain to join all the clips together. But we'll go a little bit further down here. P. Joe's coming through. Yeah. This is where all the action starts in this part. I might do a part 2 video along here. Let's see. All the food shops. Good food. Oh, it's a good food, good vibe festival is what they're saying. There's all the beachfront bars just here. Look at the spoiler on that Nissan Silvia. It's humongous. He's got the wide body kit on. Let's take a quick look at that. That looks alright, doesn't it? Nice red machine for an old Nissan Silvia. Alright guys, just want to thank you all for tuning into my channel. And P. Joe's back in action. So I'll do another video every couple of days, I hope. There's the police station and central shopping. I'll do all this section another day. It's a bit busy at the moment, all these festivals. All the rainbows, look at all that. Central. Oh, now the traffic's okay. Great day to sit on the beach, nice bit of a breeze. That guy's got the sign up, you want parking, it's busy. Look at that, the Wave Hotel and that cool car in there. Anyway guys, it's Uru from P. Joe. Stay tuned for part 2. Never been in this section. Let's have a look at the pool. Yeah, not too bad. Butylay 6, the Hilton. Alright, Uru from P. Joe. Stay tuned for another video. Take care everybody. Thank you all for your kind comments. Love you all. But it's Uru over and out. Stay safe everybody.